Fall is here, and soon, maybe next week, it'll be sweater weather. And as you're changing out your wardrobe, now is the perfect time to organize your closet. Professional organizer Laura Souders is back to help us get it together, and this is perfect timing because I was just looking at my bins of my sweaters to bring out, and before I even touch them, you say the first thing I need to do is look at my summer clothing. Why is that?
Exactly. When you look at your clothing, that the season that you just had, look and see what you didn't wear and get rid of those clothes now, because if you didn't wear it all summer, you're probably not going to really want to wear it next summer. So just make more space and get rid of those. And then when you're looking at those fall clothes that are coming back in to the closet, don't just put them in there. Look at each thing and really decide if you want to wear it, if you will wear it, not if you could wear it.
That's what I think my problem is. I'm always like, well, maybe someday I'll wear that.
Right.
But definitely need to reevaluate. The second thing that we're going to do is we're going to actually look at our work clothing. And this is something I did yesterday. So what's your tip there?
Right. As you're looking at these work outfits now, things have changed. With so many people working virtually, you may only need, a lot of tops now. Mm-hmm. You may not be dressing up as much. So maybe you want to pare down some of the work clothing too, because that might be, your styles have changed and what we're doing, your needs have changed. So make more space for the things that you're really wearing.
Yeah, like the joggers and the sweatpants. Wonderful. All right. Now we're going to make some more space by doing something a little more functional with hanging space. What's your tip there?
Yeah, exactly. Well, first of all, get rid of all of these different types of hangers, because especially the metal ones, when you have all different ones, they get jumbled up. They don't lay nicely. They don't play nice together, I say. Just get some smoother hangers, all one type, and it'll make it a little bit easier for you.
Okay.
To give yourself a little bit more hanging space in the closet, you can use some simple things like a key ring holder and hang belts on it. You can hang your belt loop for your jeans on it and make a little bit of hanging space. This doesn't take up a whole lot of room in your closet to do it on a wall, a small wall.
Yeah, that's a really good idea. And you have a couple of more of inexpensive items that we can kind of repurpose to make our closets more functional.
Yeah, really cheap too. So those shower ring hooks, to hang your curtains in your shower. You can put those on a simple hanger and then hang ties, which can then all be hung together. And you can see I can hang dozens here on this one. So we could do ties, or we could do scarves and hang them up. And the same thing can be used right on the wire hanger. So you can put them right there, and then they're hanging back and you can see them all.
I love how you did that. Now, these kind of look like they're color-coded. Is that something you do in your closet?
That is what I do in my closet, color coding, lightest to darkest, so you can find what you're looking for. You don't have to spend a lot of time looking around.
Really great tips. Laura, now you have been on the show several times talking about every room in our home. Where can our viewers go to find some more information, or could you tell us about your book?
Yeah, you could go to my website, healthierspaces.com, and you can also find my book on Amazon.
Now, I do have to ask, if you had to give a guesstimate, how long would it take somebody to organize a closet? How much time should I set aside?
It depends on how deeply your closet is full, how much you've done, but I'd say 2 to 4 hours is usually a good time to set aside to go through everything.
Okay, and make sure you have all the donation bags ready.
Yes.
All right, Laura, thank you so much for being with us. Stay with us. There's a lot more coming up in our second half hour. We will be right back with more Good Day PA.